So I have another Costco haul for you. We got some organic diced tomatoes, 2 pineapples. I'm gonna do something neat with one of these, and I'll make a video when I do it. I found this organic sourdough stuffing, so I'm gonna use that for Thanksgiving. Some more celery sticks, organic. We're gonna try this peanut butter. We haven't tried this yet. We'll see what we think of this. We got some peeled and baby carrots. It's a 2-pack. We all like those, even the dogs. This organic marinara sauce. I bought the fancy brand the last time, and it was 2 giant jars, and I didn't care for it as much as I like this one, so I got this one again. Got some organic baby spinach for all kinds of things. Some more organic blueberries. We eat these all the time. And then I found a berry cobbler recipe that's vegan and no sugar and whatnot, and it's good. Some organic baby portobello mushrooms. Got some more organic walnuts. We're gonna try these. We've seen a lot about them. These goji berries, supposed to be some kind of superfood, super snack. Let's hope they're not nasty. And then we got some organic almonds. Those are my favorite. Some more pitted olives. They're not organic, but I've tried the organic ones. I don't like them, so that's just my thing. And then I got some of these organic sliced mushrooms. I'm going to throw those in pasta and pizza and whatnot and try those instead. 2 more loaves of the Dave's Killer Bread. It's definitely our favorite. Got a big bag of dried plums, so prunes. A 6 count of this organic vanilla almond milk. We use that for cereal and smoothies all the time. And then I got a case of this oolong tea. So there's 6 4-packs, so 24 of these. And then we got 2 of the 48 count of the bottles of water. So right at $200 in Hawaii, on Oahu. We went to the busiest Costco in the world, which is in Honolulu. That's where we got all this stuff. So stay tuned for more videos. If you like these, give them a thumbs up, and I'll keep doing more haul videos of Hawaii. Definitely try to get every time we go to a store so you guys can see the prices and whatnot. And if you want to see more, subscribe, and there'll be more to come. Thanks.